Since in the last class we had the introduction of to the memory of a lion. If you all recall, lion is a person here, a member in the Shivaji's army, in which they have to attack a fort to capture it. Can anyone recall the name to whom this lion tag is given? What is the name
Mummy.
of the person? And we cannot say me, Ricky. Raise your hand. Yes, Lavina.
Ma'am, Tanaji.
Tanaji. Excellent. So this is a story about Tanaji, who is a friend of Shivaji's, who is in the army of Shivaji's, and he has left the wedding of his son. Right? He has left the wedding and then he just went to meet Tanaji, and we see that Tanaji has told him his problem about what? That they have to capture um, this fort and they have to think of a plan. So they are discussing a plan that has been finalized as your fort is protected on the three sides. Let's find out the plan and what happens next. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Yes? Let's continue. We have seen on this page that uh, Shivaji is calling Tanaji as his Simba. Simba is a lion, right? And then he just told him his problem, and then he says that I have a solution, and this plan is very difficult. Fine. We have to start from soon everything, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Nikunj, start reading. Please do not interrupt the class in between. Nikunj, start reading, बच्चे.
Soon
Divyan.
everything was ready.
Yes, continue, बच्चे, continue.
Soon everything was ready. Tanaji called his friend and announced, "Tonight we attack. It is a moonless night and nothing will be visible. All of you must be absolutely silent as you approach Fontana Fort. I will take the iguana Yashwanti. With her help, we will scale the wall." Then he turned to Suryaji. "You must take the rest of the men and wait at Kalyan Gate. We will throw it open for you."
Now, what is happening? They are executing their plan. What is the actual plan? Is to climb the wall. Fine. So when on which day they decided to attack? It was a moonless night. There was no moon. If there is no moon, there will be no light, as moon is reflecting the light of the sun, right? Just imagine a night when there is no moon. And old days there were not much street lights, so it will be complete dark, right? So he says that you have to be very silent. Why you have to be silent? Because if you make noise, the enemies will be aware that you are present there for attacking. So they have to be very silent as they were approaching the fort, and he is telling the plan that I am approaching with the help of Yashwanti. So why they have to measure the wall? They were climbing the wall. If you have to climb a wall or you have to, travel some distance, you must know the length. Measuring the wall is knowing the length and how much force, how much people, or how much length of a rope they require to climb it. And then he tells Suryaji, another member of the team, that you will take the rest of the man, and when we'll open the gate, you will come inside. Mehak, read next.
Last minute preparations over, they marched to the fort as quietly as shadow in a short while they reached the foot of the wall. Tanaji tied a rope to Yaswanti's neck when he threw her up hard so she could catch hold of the wall. Unfortunately, she lost her grip and slithered down.
Slattered down. Now what happened
Slithered
that
down.
they have done all the requirement, all the preparation they require for marching towards the fort. They start marching and they were very quiet as a shadow. When we walk, does a shadow make any noise? If we are walking in a under the sun or at the night, does our shadow makes any noise? No. So just like the shadows, they are comparing and they were so quiet that there were no noise, just like the shadows. And then they reached the foot of the wall. Foot means at the end of the wall, from the wall that is linked with the ground. They reach there and they just try to they tied the rope to the Yashwanti's neck. Okay, none of you asked me who is Yashwanti here? Who is a Yashwanti here? In the picture is also not given. None of you asked me. Can anyone tell me who is a Yashwanti in the chat box or some? Because you're raising your hands, I don't know. No. Then you didn't ask me also, ma'am, who is Yashwanti? Yashwanti here is a lizard. Fine. It is here given iguana. Iguana is a lizard, a very strong, fat lizard. So they are tying the rope there so that it can grab the wall and they can reach the top. But when he threw Rashwanti, was not able to hold the wall, end of the wall, and she came down. Tavishi, continue. Those who have gotten a chance to read, please lower your hands.
Oh, it is a sign of bad luck, exclaimed one
Exclaim.
of the soldiers.
Continue reading, bache.
Tanaji wheeled round and hissed, "Who said that? There is no place for superstition in a soldier's life. He must have complete faith in himself." Tanaji once again hurled the iguana up with greater force. This time Yashwanti gripped the fort wall. Tanaji breathed a sigh of relief.
Now, what happened that if something is not happening, people tend to say, "Na, this is a bad luck, we should not continue with this." So, what Tanaji said that you are a soldier. There is no space of superstitious. Superstition means belief, faith, um, without any proof, you believe in something. Suppose a black cat crosses the road, you all stop. That black cat has crossed the road. We cannot cross it. This is superstition. Fine. So he says there is no place of superstition especially in a soldier's knife. And he tries it again. He throws the lizard with a greater force, and this time it is able to grab the wall. Shruti, read next. Shruti.
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti, your voice
And
is
she
breaking.
once again hurled the
Hmm. We are not able to understand. No, bache, no. This is not clear at all. Priyanshi, read. Priyanshi. All right. Shweta.
"Hand me the bag containing the rope," said Tanaji. A soldier gave it to him and he struggled it on his back.
Now what is happening? Tanaji asked for the bag of ropes. They have just tied one rope right now. And the lizard is at the top of the wall. So he says that hand me, give me. Hand means you just give me the bag that contains all the ropes. So what will he do? Can we judge here? Yes, we could that he will go up and hang all the ropes for other soldiers. Lakshya, continue.
Tanaji held the rope tightly and
No,
climbed
bache,
up
I
the.
will go. Read from I will go up. A
I
paragraph
will go
above that.
first and tie the rope to the top of the wall and let them down. Then all of you can use the rope to climb up. Remember, not a sound.
Continue.
Tanaji held the rope tightly and climbed up the ramparts. After he let the ropes down, the soldier climbed to the top.
Now, what is happening? Just like I told you, the one rope was tied up to the top. He climbed that wall. Ramparts here means solid walls. If you can see the wall also, it was very strong wall. So he climbed up and then he let down all the ropes that were in his bag so that every soldier can climb that was behind him. And what was one instruction given that not a single sound should be made. Like teachers give you, then not a single sound while going downstairs or upstairs in the corridor. Similarly, one instruction that was given to the soldiers means they do not have to make a single sound. Geet, read.
Yes, ma'am. Tanaji whispered to the soldier, there must be great posture on the rampart, take them by surprise, and since them they shouted they
They
should
should.
not
Hmm.
they should be
Mhm.
allowed not be allowed to sound that the alarm will be get down and attack the soldier inside the fort. Let's go. The man
That's it. That's it.
stopped.
That's it. Just stop. एक minute, just a minute. Now, what happened? What is Tanaji whispering to the soldier? Why they were whispering? Because they do not have to make these sounds. Now, obviously, there will be guards at the top also when you just climb the wall. So, he is saying that you have to take them by surprise because they are not aware that we are attacking them. So we have to take them surprise. Why they have to take them to the surprise? Because they should not alarm the guards. If there is an alarm that is pressed and if everyone is aware at the fort, they will lose this battle. Right? The man stormed the fort and overpowered the guards in no time. The Mughal soldiers fought back fiercely and soon a hand-to-hand fight ensued. Now, what is happening? They have climbed the fort, and the fight has started now. They were fighting with their hands, with the swords, and all the tools that were used in that time. There were no guns. Fine. Uh, Priyanshi, are you present now?
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
The Mughal soldiers fought back fiercely, and soon a hand-to-hand fight ensued. One of the Mughal soldiers quietly slipped out and rushed to uniform Uday Singh. The Maraths have entered my fort. But how? Cried Uday Singh. He sprang from his bed and hurried to the next room. Wake up, my sons. Tell me how to get Chandravati. She'll crush the Marathas in no time.
Now the leader of the Kodana fort is being aware that the Marathas have entered the court. Now he is waking up his sons. We have read about his sons that they were very brave and Chandravati, an elephant that was strong enough to crush all the Marathas in no time. Any new hand? Those who have not got a chance to read, please raise your hand now. If you want to read, otherwise I will start repeating the names. Lavina.
Tanaji went looking for Uday
No,
Singh.
बच्चे, Uday Singh's son. A paragraph above that.
Uday Singh's son joined in the battle and the Mahout sent Chandravati charging into the fray. The Marathas fought very bravely. Among the first to perish were Uday Singh's three sons and Chandravati, the elephant.
Continue.
Tanaji went looking for Uday Singh. Uday Singh had by then heard of his son's death. He rushed outside shouting, Tanaji, you have a lot to answer for. You can't escape me.
Now what is happening? The sons of the Uday Singh has joined the battle and then elephant. Now they have just rushed in fighting. If you have seen the movies also, whenever the enemy has attacked and you get to know the villain or the hero, they just rush to fight. So they were the first one to perish. Perish here is die. Who died firstly? The three sons of Udesung and his fearless elephant Chandravati. So now Tanaji went for looking for Udesung, and Uday Singh is now very angry because they have killed his son as well as his elephant. So he says to Tanaji that you cannot escape me. Tanaji says that we'll see. Now they both were fighting. Roshan, read.
That we will see, cried Tanaji. With drawn swords, they closed in. Both were brilliant swordsmen. The battle raged fiercely round them. The attackers had got the better of the defenders, and some of the Maratha soldiers had thrown open the Kalyan gate.
Now what is happening that both Tanaji and Uday
Mummy.
Singh, they were the best
Mama,
of
Mama,
the.
Mama, Mama,
Jatin, I will throw you out of the class. Uh, they both were very good swordsmen. Swordman means the fighting with the swords. And now the defenders. Who were the defenders? The army, Mughal army. They also were very strong. But the attackers were more stronger than them. So were able to open the Kalyan gate where other soldiers of the Maratha army were waiting to enter the fort. Shifa, read.
Okay, ma'am. Tanaji and Uday Singh were now locked in life and death struggle. Both were tried and bleeding profusely. Uday Singh
Professfully.
professor,
Hmm.
professfully, Uday Singh wounded Tanaji so severely that Tanaji stumbled and fell. Then, unexpectedly, Tanaji sprang up the inflicted and a mortal wound on the triumphant Uday Singh. He fell dead. Then Tanaji too collapsed and died.
So now what has happened, the final decision of the fight was they both died. Tanaji as well as Uday Singh. Uday Singh has, they were both tired and they were bleeding profusely. Profusely means a large amount of blood was coming out of their bodies, and Uday Singh had wounded that he was not able to stand. Tanaji just stumbled. Stumbled means lakda jana, and he fell. He was not able to stand on his 2 feet and he fell. And then at that moment, when Uday Singh was happy that he has defeated Tanaji, he just got up, like in the film, he just got up and killed Uday Singh. So first Uday Singh died and soon after Tanaji also fell down and died. Any new hand? We are left with 2 paragraphs if I'm not wrong. No. Yes. Come on, fast. I just want to finish the chapter today.
Ma'am, should I?
Yes, Daksh.
Raje, the fort is taken.
Ah.
Said
All was quiet. Daksh is not reading with the glass. You're not even aware.
वो ऐसा कर रहा था.
And then you should know now where we are reading. Tavishi, read.
Okay, all was quiet when Suryaji and Pen entered the fort. They looked around for Tanaji and finally found lying in a pool of blood. Suryaji knelt to feel his pulse. He looked in grief and anger at his dead friend. We must complete the task, he muttered, drawing his sword.
Now what happened that when the other half of the army entered the fort, everything was quiet. Why? Because both the leaders were killed now, but he knelt and he was grieving. Why he was grieving? Because his friend is killed and he was angered. So he says that we should complete the task. The task is still left for killing or capturing all the Mughal enemies. Lakshya, read.
The Marathas, led by Suryaji, fought bravely, and after a brief struggle, they won the battle. Kondana fort was once again in their hands. Suryaji returned to Raighat fort to inform Shivaji for their victory. He was waiting anxiously for them.
Now what happened? The Marathas, now who's the leader? The second in command was Suryaji, and they have won the battle. They have captured the Kodana fort. Then he returned to Raigad where Shivaji was waiting for them. Shweta, Shruti, if Shruti is here again, Shruti can read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read, बच्चे.
Raja, the fort is taken, said Shuraji. Suryaji, good, but where is Tanaji? Suryaji hung his head and remained silent.
Continue. I'll stop you.
Speak, Suryaji, cried Shivaji, shaking him by his shoulders. What has happened to him?
He is dead, Suryaji said quietly.
He-
Shivaji's face went pale as he said, "The fort is won, but my lion is gone." He turned and walked to the window. He stood there looking out. A memorial of Tanaji stands on the spot where he fell. It is called Singhabad. Now, what has happened? That they have won the fort, they got the Kodana fort back, but there the best man has been killed. So where he died on the rooftop, there is a memorial. Memorial means something that is placed in for Tanaji, and it is called Sinha Ghat. Sinha Ghat is a place where memorial of Tanaji is placed. Any doubt to anyone in this chapter? You can raise your hand now. Question A will be homework. You just have to rearrange, like numbering. What has happened first in this? Question B, C, D will do in the next class. That is tomorrow. Either tomorrow, no, tomorrow we'll do the revision on Wednesday, on Thursday. We have next class after Tuesday and Thursday. Fine, I am not taking a dictation tomorrow because you have to study for your periodic. I'll just ask with the ma'am once and then I'll decide. Any confusion in the chapter, anyone? Can we number them? Let's number them quickly. What has happened first? Which part will come? Tanaji held the rope tightly and climbed up the ramparts. A Mughal soldier quietly slipped out and informed Uday Singh. Uday Singh fell dead. Suraji returned to Raigarh fort to inform Shivaji of the victory. Uday Singh's son joined in the battle and the Mahmud sent Chandravati charging into the fray. The The men stormed the fort and empowered the guards in no time. The Marathas, led by Suryaji, fought bravely, and after a brief struggle, they won the battle. Which will come first? Yes, Shifa, very good. Like we have a memorial of Gandhiji at Rajghat. Okay. Which sentence will come first? Come on. Number one will be fifth one. No. The first one is first. This is the first one. He has climbed. Which is the second one? Mehak?
Ma'am, second one is, ma'am, sixth one.
Yes, very good. Sixth one. The men stormed the fort and overpowered the guards in no time. Third one will be Shifa?
Ma'am, fifth one.
No, bache. Second one. They have informed it. Lakshay, which will be the fourth one?
Ma'am, Uday Singh fell dead.
Sons joined. Please read all the points and then decide. Lavina, which will be the fifth one?
Ma'am,
Third one.
ma'am,
Third one will be your fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your sixth. No. This will be your seventh. This one will be your sixth. Any doubt? Any confusion here? Yes, if I have corrected. Anything, bacha? All right. So we'll meet tomorrow with the revision. Revise the syllabus. Tomorrow you have your periodics. Classics, and please, I hope there is a full attendance for your periodics. Fine. All right. Have a great day, everyone. Take good care of yourself, and we'll meet tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
bye,
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.